When I experienced the difference using a gimbal makes recording video footage, I instantly wanted one for my action camera to record my bike rides. I appreciate action cameras are meant to show extreme footage, and a bit of shake and movement does this. Road riding isn't an extreme sport, well, not the road riding I do, and camera movement adds nothing. I want smooth footage of my road rides, and the gimbal seemed the best way forward. Here we have side-by-side clips of footage, one using a gimbal and the other not using a gimbal, of a road ride. As you can see, the two clips were captured on different days, in different weather conditions and in totally different lighting conditions, so we need to focus on the smoothness of the footage. In the footage where the gimbal has not been used, the bike is moving around, as you'd expect, but so is the background. The footage is shaky, jerky and not great to watch. In the footage where the gimbal has been used, the bike is moving around, again as you'd expect, but in this one the background isn't. The footage is smoother, more cinematic and nicer to watch. Okay, I appreciate the lighting isn't as good as it is in the first clip, but it is much smoother, and as this is the focus in this video, that's all that matters. If your action camera doesn't have image stabilization, or if it does and the image stabilization isn't very good, a gimbal will instantly give you smoother, more cinematic and better looking footage.